Good morning, students. I am Kuldeep Singh. Today I am going to explain class 9th, chapter unit 3, stay safe online. Students, today's topic is very important. Along with the studies, the school give us and the books give us the knowledge about the moral values. So, if we learn the moral values, there is a less we can use more effective our life. We can use in good things. So stay safe online. In our nowadays we are using the social media. So social media has become part and a parcel in our life. Parcel means that amount of something in our life. Now question is how we could live without it. We know that many disadvantages of social media and yet we are too afraid to cut off. We have grown to attach to them. Many people even don't want to look at the disadvantage of social media. You know why? Because they know they can't live without it, because they are totally depend upon the social media. When they are free, they are taking the mobile and using the different, wasting the time on the mobile, but they doesn't know that they are wasting the time as well as they are wasting the money also. So maybe it's time to face the dangerous we are unwilling to look at, because that's the only way we can make our experience online a healthy one. So there are a few points I'm going to discuss with you. Before using the online, first you think. What we have to think? Think before you post. When we post something, we have to think about it, that it may be helpful for me or for others. Second one, friends. What is friend? Only connect with the friends, because surrounding so many persons are there behind to you which can check your account also. So only connect with the friends. Third one is kind. Be kind to others. Fourth one is password. Every mobile we are having a password and don't share your password with others while using the online. Next one is privacy. You know, the privacy is must for every online, every setting, every mobile. Privacy is must. So keep your setting private. Next one is hurt. Don't be hurtful towards others. So if we use these things in our life, then we can stay somewhere online. Some pitfalls of social media. First one is looking for acceptance. We know that we are using the Facebook or we are using the different things, Instagram, and we are accepting the request of the persons. Are those acceptance are helpful for us, benefit for us? We have always wanted to be accepted, and social media is taking advantage of that acceptance. So social media has exploited this desire of acceptance to form likes and retweets. Looking for the acceptance online is dangerous. Why it is dangerous? Because it destroys one's self-confidence. We look for the others to judge our worth. The second one is dangerous for comparison. We are comparing with the others. So when we see others' accomplishment, others' work, then how many of us jealous from them? That others are doing good, we are not doing well. So we are be envy from them, we are jealous from them. How many of us compare instead of connect? Like acceptance, we have always done with our peers. This means someone same rank with our same rank. It's the time for us to stop comparing. Don't compare ourselves to others. and place the power back in our own hands to judge our worth. Next one is bitterness. Bitterness, we get bitter, and if someone liked another status, and if we're uploading the status and someone doesn't check the status, and some are having a more comments on the status, and we are having a bitterness. Not mine status they have checked and other status they have checked, or other one person shared a moment with another friends, not with me, and we are having a bitterness. Don't be bitterness, same like that. It may not be true with everyone, but it happens. Some do have a tendency to grow bitter from what we see on social media. Next one, we are having a caring about the wrong things. Always we are caring about the wrong things. Today we are worried about the silly things, which is not helpful, but we are still worried about those things. How my image looks on social media. We try to be famous on the social media, and how many likes my photo got. These are the some wrong things are coming in our mind, but don't think like those things. Give priority to what happens in the real. Always give priority that what I am real, to show that one only. Visible present, give priority to that, not what occurs in the internet. Don't bother about the internet. Noise versus essential. What is the today's noise and what is important in that? Don't worry. When sharing something, a craze. Others are uploading the picture, we are uploading the picture. There is craze. We have our pages filled with the trash. Trash means the unuseless things and noise. We don't have the time to digest the content. Sometimes we fail to pay attention and what is essential, what is important in our life. We will fail in that things, but don't worry. We have to give priority to the essential work, not on the what is going on the internet. Don't waste time. Always in nowadays we are free and we are sitting on the mobile and using mobile and playing games, and some students are playing games and don't looking the videos what school is uploading, but that is not be helpful. Don't waste the time. If you use the mobile, then use for your benefit, for your future. Time is valuable, students, which means we shouldn't waste it with the people, interaction and advertisement that offer no returns for our attentions. Social media always forces us to waste time with these sorts of things. It's better to invest our valuable time in something that gives the world and us for more values. Nowadays, students, one video is viral that in the Chandigarh, one boy, he spent his father's or parents' money 16 lakh while playing a PUBG game. So he is buying those weapons and he spent 16 lakh, and when after their parents went to the bank, then they come to know that instead of 16 lakh in their hand there is only 12,000. So how that we are playing the games and the student doesn't know that that is helpful for me, and whole night he was playing and buying those weapons, and after that they lost their property also. So students, while doing the online, while you are online, whether you are having a personal mobile or you are having a parent's mobile, don't use those things. Be a safe online. Isolation. Next topic we are having a isolation. That is, isolate means to be separate from the others. We are in the world, within a world. It is easy to shut ourselves off from the interaction because we believe our interaction online is enough. It is easy to see people all day, but rather see them online. Be aware of this tendency to isolate. Allow social media to push you in the world, even future, not away from it. So lastly, I want to say, be a smart person. How can we be a smart person? Be a smart. Be a smart. What is smart? What is S stands for? S stands for means stay safe. We have to always be stay safe while doing the online. Don't give out your personal information to people or place you don't know. Don't give. Stay safe. Second one is don't meet up. Don't meet up means meeting someone will give you the offers that I am providing you this offer, you can afford this offer and I'll give you something. Meeting someone, you only being in touch with the online can be dangerous. That offer be dangerous for you. Always check with adult you trust. Then next one is A. What is A? A is accepting. Accepting files. When we are accepting files, be alert. Always consent with your parents. Check. Accept emails, files, picture, text from the people you don't know can cause problem. So when you are accepting the files, always be consult with your parents. Then R. What is R? R is a reliable. It is a reliable. Trustworthy. We have to be trustworthy. Check information before you believe it. Before you believe it, check information of that person. Is the person or website telling the truth to us? So then only we will be a safe online. Lastly, tell T. T stands for tell someone. Every information you have to share with your parents or with your adult. If someone or something makes you feel worried or uncomfortable, so students, always share your things with your parents and be a smart person. So in this chapter we have learned about the how can we stay safe online. So stay healthy also. Don't go unnecessarily out of the house, because you know in these days this coronavirus is on the peak, and don't go any unnecessarily out of in the market or go here and there. Only go out only when there is a need. So read the chapter and try to find out the question answers, and if you have a doubt you can share your comments in the comment section in the video. So thank you.